Hello friends, today we will discuss about fiber to fabric. So fiber had been a very common thing for you all since when you were small. So in the nursery rhymes you would have listened to this nursery rhyme. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. So you would have heard about this. Also, if you go to the market, you will see in the shop there are multiple clothes made up of different materials. So when I take any cloth, I take out the thinnest thread that is a thread and something the thinner strands, they are known as fibers. Okay. So the thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called as fibers, right? So the fibers can be natural fibers as well as synthetic fibers. We get natural fibers from plants and animals, like cotton we get from plants, wool we get from animals, whereas synthetic like rayon are the synthetic fibers which are man-made in man. So next we have this as the plant fibers like cotton, jute, coconut, etc. And the animals we have from sheep, we get wool, then from silkworm we get silk, and that's from the animal sources. Next, coming to how do we obtain cotton from the cotton seeds. So cotton seeds will, from the cotton seeds, that undergoes ginning, then after that it forms a yarn in the factory, weaving, and further then it goes finishing. So cotton is present in the form of cotton seeds. It gets ripe and you will have this fluffy appearance. Then after that, the seeds are taken and the fibers are separated by using a machine called as ginner. So this ginning is nothing but there is a comb. You are combing the cotton fibers out of the cotton seeds. Next, coming to jute. Jute is obtained from the plants. The stem of the plants is soaked in water for a very long period until the fiber starts getting separated. Okay, so these fibers are separated by using hands. So by using hands, the fibers will be completely separated out. Then we have how from the fibers we get the yarn. Okay, so this is done by the process of spinning. So the threads, the particular fibers which are there, they are drawn and they are spun. Spinning is done and they are wound to form a yarn package. Okay, so there are two devices that are used. One is charkha. This is a charkha that you are seeing here, and the other is takli. So takli also, you have got the hoop, they will have the thread and they will keep on rolling it. Next, coming to weaving, or this is basically how we get the cloth from the or fabric from the yarn. So there are the process which undergoes weaving or knitting are the two processes that we have. When we weave, there are two types of threads that are there. One is the horizontal ones, okay, the straight ones that you say as warp, and the weft which is wound round the horizontal thread. So this is weaving, and knitting is done in the woolen clothes, and it is done using two sticks where one thread is pulled by the other and thus it forms this knitting. So that is how you see in the woolen clothes. So thank you.